Today we are diving into the world of budgeting, and we will share with you a simple yet powerful strategy that can help you take control of your money. But wait, there is more. We will also reveal a fitting plan to budget towards paying off debt and setting money aside for investments. Let's break it down. The 75-15-10 plan. So, what exactly is the 75-15-10 plan? It is a budgeting framework that allocates your income into three main categories: needs, wants, and savings. Following the 75-15-10 plan requires discipline and commitment to consistently allocate your income according to these percentages. However, it offers a straightforward approach to budgeting and financial planning that can lead to better financial stability and security over time. Adjustments may be necessary based on individual circumstances and financial goals. Prioritizing expenses, savings, and investments remain valuable for anyone seeking to manage their finances effectively. 75. First up, we have 75%. This represents your needs. These are essential expenses like rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, transportation, insurance, and minimum payments on credit card debt. These are the non-negotiables that keep your life running smoothly. For example, meet Sarah, a young professional earning $4,000 per month after taxes. Sarah's first step is to allocate 75% of her income to her needs. 75% of $4,000 is $3,000. She can budget $3,000 to pay her rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, insurance, and credit card minimum payments. This means she has $1,000 left. The question now is, what should Sarah do with her extra $1,000 left? 15. After you allocate your needs into the 75% category, we jump into the 15% category. This is for your wants. These expenses make life enjoyable, but are not strictly necessary for survival. Things like dining out, entertainment, clothing beyond the basics, and vacations. It is good to have your wants, but it must be within reason. Let's go back to Sarah. Sarah has $1,000 after paying for all her needs. She now allocates 15% of her income, which amounts to $600 for her wants. Sarah decides to spend this on dining out, hobbies, and personal care. This 15% can have her wants fulfilled without breaking the bank. Sarah even has an extra $400 left. 10. We can now explore the final section, the 10%. This is for your savings. This category includes both short-term and long-term savings goals. You can never forget to pay yourself first by saving for the future. It is crucial to prioritize saving for emergencies, retirement, and other financial goals. Paying yourself first ensures that you are building a secure financial future. This being said, Sarah is now ready to allocate her remaining $400. These $400 are the equivalent of 10% of her income. Sarah can divide this $400 between her emergency fund, retirement accounts, and even a vacation fund. She is now ready to budget towards financial success. Now, what if Sarah wants to tackle debt more aggressively or even start her investing journey? There is also a solution within our formula. By reducing spending on needs and wants, you can free up more money for building wealth over the long term. Paying off debt. If paying off debt or starting to invest is a top priority, you may want to adjust the 75-15-10 plan to allocate more funds toward those goals. Consider adjusting your needs category to 60% of your income, for example. Slashing expenses and funneling more money toward debt repayment, you can accelerate your debt-free journey. Now let's take David as an example. He is determined to tackle his $10,000 credit card debt. With a monthly income of $4,000, he allocates 60% for his needs instead of 75%. This is equal to $2,400 instead of $3,000. Remember, minimum monthly payments on your credit cards are already included in the 75%. That means David would grab extra funds to make additional payments to lower that debt faster. He would grab the extra $600 and use it to make additional payments towards his credit card debt. David can also play around with the formula. It all depends on the person. Instead of cutting all 15% from his needs section, he can split it equally and cut 7.5% from his needs section and 7.5% from his wants section. That would allow him to put an extra 15% towards debt payment without compromising too much on one of the categories. It all depends on you and your personal needs. Whether you are laser-focused on debt repayment or eager to turbocharge your investments, the 75-15-10 plan offers flexibility to align with your financial goals. With this simple yet effective budgeting strategy, you can achieve financial stability and reach your goals. Take care and happy budgeting.